Welcome to Retirement Optimizer's how-to videos to help you navigate the software and plan your retirement. This video will review a new feature of the software, the details table provided in the overview column in step 13. Questions 1 through 3 all have the same tables and graphs that can be viewed and compared. Note that Monte Carlo and benchmark analyses are for questions 5 and questions 4 respectively. After selecting Show in Graphs on a question in step 12, we head to step 13 and click on the table we'd like to view. In this video, we will be viewing the Details table. This new feature provides an easily digestible, step-by-step guide of the withdrawals and investments clients should make for the selected year of their financial plan, while also detailing the estimation of tax liabilities for that year. These estimates are used to manage tax efficiencies for calculations of withdrawal distributions. However, note that this software is not a tax program, and the table does not provide calculations of taxes owing. The data provided is simply describing how taxes were estimated by the Retirement Optimizer software. To begin, click the drop-down menu to select the year from now that you would like to view. If you would like to display accounts with no changes in that year, click on the Show Everything box. You can also expand or collapse all the fields in the table by clicking on the respective boxes. Or you can choose which heading you would like to view in more detail by clicking on the arrows on the left-hand side of the row titles. The table is composed of 4 main sections, which are broken down between the client and the spouse, represented by a 1 and 2 respectively. Income shows the total money available to pay expenses and taxes for the year. It is broken down into cash flows, such as withdrawals and salary, and inputs, such as reinvestments or tax payments, which are signified by a minus sign. Taxable lists the sources of taxable income divided between the client and the spouse, where negative values signify amounts the client and spouse are receiving back from the government. The tax section shows the total amount of federal and provincial taxes that are estimated using the information provided and projected tax brackets. Once again, it is important to note that these are estimates, and this is not a tax software. Faded values in this section represent inflation-adjusted values for the present day. Finally, the instruction section shows the withdrawals and investments that are recommended for the year, where rows in bold are actions that the client must perform. Thus concludes the details table in the overview column of step 13. Join us in our other videos detailing further features of the analysis section of the software.